WhatsApp has officially landed on Apple CarPlay. You can now make calls, reply to messages with your voice, and see your recent chats, all from your car dashboard. No more fumbling with your phone while driving. Here's everything you need to know. This arrives in WhatsApp for iOS version 26.13. It's a standalone CarPlay app, not just a stretched phone screen. It's been completely redesigned for driving with bigger buttons and a cleaner layout. You get three main features: view your recent chats and call history in separate tabs, make WhatsApp calls directly from the dashboard, and reply to messages using voice dictation. No more relying on Siri. There's one important limitation: you cannot open full chat threads on the CarPlay screen while driving. If you want to read a conversation, you need to stop the car and check your phone. This is deliberate. It's a safety feature. This is actually clever design. It gives you just enough to stay connected without turning your dashboard into a distraction. Quick voice replies, hands-free calls, glanceable chat list. Nothing more, nothing less. Update WhatsApp to version 26.13.74 or later. Plug your iPhone into your car, open CarPlay, and WhatsApp should appear automatically. It's rolling out globally right now. Step 1, update WhatsApp from the App Store. Step 2, connect your iPhone to CarPlay via USB or wireless. Step 3, find your WhatsApp in CarPlay app grid. Step 4, tap to open and start using it. The voice dictation is a real game changer. Before this, you had to ask Siri to read your messages and then dictate a reply through Siri. Now WhatsApp handles it directly, faster, more accurate, fewer steps. The update is already live in India and rolling out to other countries. If you don't see it yet, check the App Store for updates. It requires iOS 17 or later on a CarPlay-compatible vehicle. WhatsApp on CarPlay. Calls, voice replies, recent chats, all hands-free. Update now and try it on your next drive.